Hello there, lovely viewers. What if I told you the fountain of youth is in your kitchen? Today, we'll be talking all about drinks that make you look younger. Water, red wine, soy milk, tea, we're talking all that and more. Water. Yes, H2O is your best friend. Whether you like to acknowledge it or not, water always has your back. Our body is made up of almost 70% water. This is why it's up to us to make sure we're consuming at least 3 liters of water every day. Without water, our body is at risk for dehydration. Your skin will become dry, and your nails and hair will become brittle. You can also go a few days without food, but water is a must. Additionally, lack of water builds up toxins in your body. These toxins can disrupt your normal body functions such as digestion, respiration, and many others. Do yourself a favor by drinking enough water every day. It hydrates your body and has no side effects. In other words, this is a win-win scenario for you. Moving on to the next point. Red wine. Wine has numerous benefits. When consumed in moderation, red wine helps to promote the longevity gene in your body. This is because of a compound called resveratrol, which is found in red wine. This compound also counters inflammation and diseases that are associated with old age. Just make sure that you don't overdo it. While a glass of wine twice or thrice a week can make you look younger, we wouldn't recommend trying more. Ironically, when taken in a huge quantity, wine tends to promote aging and damages your liver. So ladies and gentlemen, make sure you walk that fine line with wine. This brings us to our next point, tea. Yes, you heard that right. Tea is healthy for you. Tea leaves contain antioxidants, which help to boost your immune system. How does that help you? Well, a body with a healthier immune system is better at fighting infections. Additionally, a strong immune system has a lower risk of inflammation. This doesn't mean that you should drink a lot of tea. Instead, drinking 1 or 2 cups a day would be good for your health. It also helps your digestive system. The catechins and antioxidants of tea also help prevent nerve damage and lowers the risk of neuron death. Maybe it's time to switch to tea for a healthier and longer life. Meanwhile, let's check out the next drink on our list. Soy milk. Are you allergic to dairy products? Well, you can try switching to soy milk. Soy milk contains phytochemicals, which help to manage your skin and prevent wrinkles from appearing on your face. This happens because phytochemicals boost collagen and elastin. These chemical compounds are responsible for developing and protecting your skin tissue. Another interesting thing about soy milk is that it's been hypothesized to protect our skin from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Many experts believe that isoflavones present in soy milk is the reason for this hypothesis. This is because isoflavones are known to suppress the damage done by the radiation of ultraviolet rays. Now, it's time to move on to a very well-known drink. Almond milk. Before we begin the explanation, we've already done a video named "Is almond milk a good alternative to cow's milk?" In case you missed it, we would suggest that you go back and check it. Now, let's continue. Almond milk contains 3 types of vitamins, A, D, and E. All of these vitamins promote the production of collagen, leading to healthier skin. You might be concerned about the fact that there isn't much protein in almond milk. Fortunately, it covers up that flaw with calcium. Almond milk contains a lot of calcium, which helps to strengthen our bones, tissues, and skin. It also helps in the absorption of vitamins. As far as the protein problem's concerned, you can add other protein-rich foods to your diet. On that note, let's move on to a drink that's well known on the other side of the globe, aloe vera juice. Aloe vera helps in replacing dead skin tissue and boosts the production of collagen in your skin. This is because of the amino acid that this herb contains. So when you're drinking a glass of aloe vera juice, you're drinking a glass of wholesome, natural goodness. Additionally, aloe vera juice contains vitamins A, C, and E. All 3 of them are very helpful for your skin, muscles, and bones. Another thing that you should know about aloe vera juice is that it contains antioxidants. These antioxidants increase the process of skin regeneration and boost the production of elastin. With so many benefits, it's no wonder you look younger. This brings us to our next drink, coconut water. Coconut water is one of the most well-known sources of electrolytes, which help in controlling and regulating the balance of fluids in your body. More importantly, they help in controlling your blood pressure. It's also one of the richest known sources of sodium and potassium. While these are helpful for the body, there's one more ingredient that is extremely important for your body. We're talking about cytokinins. Cytokinins are plant hormones. When you drink coconut water, these hormones also find themselves in your body. Now, you might be wondering, is that a good thing? Yes, it's a great thing! Cytokinins promote the cellular growth of the human body and suppress cellular aging. In other words, your body will appear younger and healthier for a longer period of time. If that fascinates you, just wait for the next one. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice contains an antioxidant known as polyphenol. This slows down the aging process of your body by protecting the wear and tear of your DNA that happens to be because of oxidation. It also helps preventing skin inflammation. Pomegranate sounds like a good idea, right? Although we are still scratching the surface, there's more to pomegranates than just polyphenol. It's also one of the richest known sources of vitamin C. As a result, it can also help the development of lipids and collagen. It's because of this reason drinking a lot of pomegranate juice can help you repair and even prevent sun damage. What's more, vitamin C is also good for your joints and tissues. Moving on to our next point, cocoa. We are talking about cocoa drinks that have lower levels of caffeine. Cocoa contains flavonoids that keep your blood vessels healthy. This in turn reduces the risk of high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, kidney disease, and dementia. So why not switch to cocoa powder and drink it every morning? Well, that can be good, but you need to make sure you don't overdo it. You see, too much cocoa can be slightly difficult for your excretory system to digest. This is why we'd suggest you practice moderation when it comes to the consumption of cocoa drinks. Now that we're done with 9, here comes number 10, carrot juice. Taking care of our skin and body are important when it comes to slowing down age, but there are other things that also come into play, like our cognitive skills, which tend to decline as we age. This is where our next friend comes to the rescue. We're talking about carrots. Carrots also contain a type of flavonoid known as lutein. This flavonoid helps to reduce the chances of cognitive decline as we age. According to a study, it was found that people who consumed lutein have much better memories than those who don't. So the next time you go into the kitchen and make some juice, don't forget the carrot. Do you enjoy these drinks? Were there any that we missed? Let us know in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.